Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to another program on Java. Today we have the fourth one, which is factorial of a number. So go ahead and create with me a new class, call it factorial, like this, and always keep the first letter of every single class in Java majuscule. Okay, click enter. This is one. So what we're going to do, we're going just to instantiate a int in and return this. Okay, return, not returning, but just we're going to go this dot n, or just let's just go with empty constructor for now. Okay, after creating this function, we're going to create another function which is public void factorial, like this. Okay, and this is going to accept one parameter, which is n. Okay, and let's do this. So first we need to understand what is the factorial. So I'm going to copy this and go back to this and look for the factorial. So the factorial, basically, it is just a number multiplied by every single past number. So if we have 0 and 0 returns 1, as you see on this picture, 0 returns 1, factorial of 1, 1, factorial of 2, it is 1 multiplied by 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 multiplied by 2, multiplied by 3, multiplied by 4, and so on. So 5, 6, the same. I hope the idea is clear. So what we're going to do now, it is just creating the first letter, which is factorial, because each thing returns a factorial of 1. So I'm going to say fact is equal to 1 and test if n is equal exactly to 0. As you see here, if it is 0 or 1, we're going to return 1. So if it's equal 0 or it is equal to 1, we're going just to print system.out factorial. Okay, we're going to print 1. Otherwise, we're going to run another for loop from the index 1. Why? Because already the first one, which is 0, returns 1, and 1 returns 1. So we're going to start from I equal 1 up to the n, which is the number that we're getting. And what we need to do next is just to multiply. So we need to do fact multiply by, in each iteration, by the I. Okay, this is how it's done. Just the fact, which is 0, which is 1, and then multiply but by every single past number. Okay, and what we need to do next, the incrementation happens, as you see here, and move on to the next one. So all what we need to do now is just to print the fact of a number. So now I'm going to go to the application and call this factorial, creates a new brand one, so fact, and call factorial, like this, then factorial calling factorial, like this, and we have an input, which is the number. So I'm going to run this program and see, and we're going to go with, for instance, this one, factorial of number 4, which is equal to 24. So 4, enter, so we get 24. And to input a clear message of this, like we're going to say the factorial of, then add here n, the coming number. I'm going to do this, plus is, then doing plus again, like this. And let me run the application again. So I'll go with 4. As you see, the factorial of 4, it is 24. We could run another number, like, let me see here, 10. And we've got this huge number. And as you see here, it is the same as in here. So this is how to do a factorial of a number in Java.